Hello, my name is Michael McHugh. I'm Product Delivery Manager for Fit2Perform. It's the high impact initiative of the health and wellbeing activity within EIT. We're working on a wearable device and monitoring of drivers. Specifically, I work for the professional car case, but there's also a private car case, which we'll talk about later on. The main aim is to address problems within the logistics industry, traditionally a very low margin industry, and also with a very unhealthy workforce. The main reason we're doing this is because that industry, like I said, has low margins, has high total cost of ownership as well. What we're trying to do is address that head on, mainly by monitoring drivers with one of these. So what we're doing is we're measuring the heart rate, skin temperature, other physiological signals of drivers, and then tying that into traditional telematic systems. So what we can do is we can measure fuel consumption, vehicle wear and tear, aggressive driving, defensive driving, tie that in with the physiological signals of the driver and how those things affect each other. So if a driver is stressed, fatigued, or tired or not very alert, we can tie that into how they're driving and how that affects their driving performance. So the main aim of this is when we've done our data collection and analysis, we can add this to existing telematic systems as well. So we can build on that data and make it more intelligent, allowing fleet managers to make more informed decisions about their drivers and also their fleet. So more intelligent route planning, more intelligent brake planning as well. So whether the drivers need to sleep in a better way than is currently practiced. So at the moment, the tachograph regulation is quite rigid. Drivers can drive for a certain time, then they have to take breaks. We've found that in certain cases, they're taking breaks when they don't need to, and when they really need them later on in the day, they've already taken it and they don't have time for this. One of the things we really want to do is we want to maybe make the tachograph legislation more flexible, so adding to this, which would be beneficial for drivers and also companies, helping with their margins. The other thing we want to do as well is add on to existing occupational health policies as well. So as I mentioned before, drivers are generally quite an unhealthy demographic. So if we can make their lives a little bit less stressful, manage their sleep better, manage their diets better, we should be able to improve their quality of life, giving them a longer working life, a longer life after they've retired, and also just making their working day-to-day a little bit easier and a little bit more beneficial for them, and also better costs and better margins for their companies as well.
Okay. Nice to meet you. I'm Corrado Paparella from Telecom Italia, and I am a software developer for the private part on the Fit2Perform project. The aim of the project is to provide a new, cheaper and personalized insurance premium. And the principal aim is to reduce the number of accidents. In which way? Wearing a wearable device that collects heart rate, GSR, that is a measurement of stress level, sleep quality and physical activity, and even a new black box that collects speed, brake pattern, steering wheel, and so on. According to all of this data, the user will have the possibility to find out two different indexes, driving behavior and one status. According on that, you will have a total score, and according on that, you will have a saving. So the insurance company want to give the possibility to the people to drive safer and then to pay less. So the user will have a basic premium, and so according to the performance, you will pay less money.
Well, I'm Andrea Di Benedetto from BNP Paribas Cardiff Insurance, Italy, and we are involved in the Fit2Perform because this is a new concept of insurance politics, a new concept of insurance premiums. Normally, when you have a car insurance, you just say, I'm old, I'm 20 years old, 30 years old, I drive since 10 years, and I pay a premium. This is a new concept. This means that we are now having the driving behavior and my health parameters. This means the better I drive with the car, the healthier I am, the lower the premium is, the car insurance premium is. This means that the more fit I am and the better I drive, the less I pay. So this is a new concept of insurance. The insurance tariff is not related to how old I am and since how many years I drive, but how good I drive and how fit I am. So this is the new concept we are developing together in this Fit2Perform project. And this is the direction we are going to, also to give a healthier lifestyle to our customers and to avoid accidents. So it's a win-win project that everybody wins in this project. You have a standard premium, and if you drive well, if you sleep well, and if you are fit, you get a discount in percentage. So every month there is a recalculation of the insurance fee, and every month you can get a discount. This means that you have a stimulation to drive well, you have a stimulation to sleep well, to have a healthier behavior, and you also get money back. So the insurance has a win model because we don't have accidents, and the customer has a win model because he doesn't have accidents and he saves money. So it's a new kind of concept of insurance we're going into.
Good afternoon, it's Harry Butcher from Strata. Who are we? We're a fleet management telematics company. We deliver solutions for the users who use our solutions as part of heavy transport market, transport and logistics. The solutions we offer are three types. So we have back office solution, which is our application FleetVisor. We have in-cab solutions, which is our onboard unit, which provides all the data and algorithms for our applications. And we have an onboard computer, which is called Driver Link. The value we add as part of Fit2Perform is we want to integrate the Fit2Perform solution as part of the Strata platform, and therefore adding an extra value element. So currently we can manage everything about the vehicle, everything about the driver, but we don't have any idea about his health, his situation, or how he's feeling. The current solution for that is the tachograph, which we're fully integrated with. But as we understand, the tachograph is not going to be the solution for the future and the medium to long term. So our solution includes three components. The first component is the driver link, which is the interactive display that the driver will see in the cab. So he has a navigation, he also has his driver hours, and he can receive messages while he's driving, and he is also able to receive workflow assignments which can tell him what his next activity is. Included in this solution we have other applications such as Driver Coach. So Driver Coach is the application that measures the driver behavior. So as Fit2Perform, we're trying to link the user's driver behavior with the stress or the algorithms we're getting from Fit2Perform and produce a scoring such as we have with our Driver Coach. The second component we have is the onboard unit. So the onboard unit is also including part of the tachograph. In here we keep all our algorithms and all the data. So we connect to the FMS from a vehicle, and we calculate different activities such as overspeeding, harsh acceleration, harsh braking, and cruise control. And then the final component we have is the back office solution for the fleet manager, where he's able to see all the data for his fleet and be able to understand. So in this case, we understand that the red indicates that the drivers are very bad at style, so they can actually focus on an element called cruise control to improve their behavior. Why is that valuable for the fleet operator? Because he can save fuel through good driving behavior, and fuel will equate to money because fuel accounts for 30% of his operational spend. So as a Strata, we provide a solution both for the driver and for the fleet manager, which is completely integrated and provides value through reducing fuel consumption through better driver behavior.